Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering off and unplugging the laptop, safety first. Once done, remove any battery or external drives so you won't interrupt the process. Next, you apply gentle heat for about 20-30 seconds to soften the glue. This reduces tearing. Make sure to keep the dryer moving so plastic doesn't warp. Then, lift a corner with your fingernail or a plastic card and peel slowly at a low angle. This preserves finish and prevents residue from embedding into the surface. You continue by maintaining steady, deliberate motion. Peel at roughly a 20-30 degrees angle to reduce adhesive transfer. If the sticker fragments, reapply heat and lift the next section. Patience matters. For remaining gummy residue, dab isopropyl 70% or a small amount of adhesive remover on a cotton swab and work in tight circles. This breaks the bond without harming coatings if used sparingly. Make sure to use a plastic scraper for stubborn bits. Never metal, and repeat heat hand scrape cycles until the surface looks clean. You finish by removing any solvent traces. Lightly wipe with a microfiber cloth dampened in isopropyl 90% and allow the laptop to air dry for 10-15 minutes. Make sure to polish gently to restore uniform sheen. Avoid abrasive cleaners that strip coatings. Then reinsert the battery and power on. If things go wrong, like tearing or persistent adhesive, try sliding dental floss under the edge to cut the glue, or apply a tiny amount of oil to lift residue, but always.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.